Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to put photos in a template in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. See this step 1. First open your document, then see this template shape, file, place and choose your image. Hold shape, increase or decrease image size, then right click on your mouse, create a clipping mask. Hold Ctrl, select right click again, convert to smart object and apply step 2. See this already inserted image, double click to this smart object icon, then click OK. Then again remove to this image, go to file, again apply the same process, or open any image, then press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C copy, or press Ctrl V paste. Right click, create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl T on your mouse. That's it. Press Ctrl S. Then close it. See this. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.